Do you know the story of bombardiro, cappu, brrbrr, frigo, camelo in the not-so-distant future? Tripa, tropa, tralala, lira, tung, sahur, boneca, tung, tralalelo, tripi, tropa, crocodina is unleashed, and the countdown to Earth's final day begins. In a desperate bid to survive, scientists from every nation join forces, searching for a weapon that could stand against the unstoppable. What they created was unlike anything the world had ever seen. Sahur! By the endless steam of a teapot, striking with the bombardiro crocodilo, devastating long-range fire, shielded by the unbreakable armor of the frigo camelo, regenerating with the relentless power of brrbrr patapim, and lethal up close, like a cappuccino assassino! Do you want a free brain rot toy? Tap the link in my bio. Grab yours before they are all gone. The last hope of humanity had arrived. Deployed to the edge of the ruins, its steps crushed the scorched earth, steam curling into the darkness. Its mission was clear. Before the final second struck, find and end it now. Two ultimate forces are moving toward each other, step by step. The fate of Earth's last second will be decided by their collision. So, who will claim the final victory?